Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary with a quick tutorial for you today. This is on the 2023 version of the GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. If you have a front camera on your GMC Sierra, you may very well have this feature as well, but it has to do with the front camera and what you see right here on the side of the camera. What exactly is that? It's the front camera washer. And if you're curious to know exactly what that is, I'm about to show you. Now, whether you see this or not doesn't really matter because it happens every time you run the windshield washer fluid. So if your windshield is dirty and you push the button right here to run the windshield washer fluid, whether you know it or not, that happens. That is the front camera washer on the truck. Tell me if you knew or maybe didn't know that your truck has this feature if it is equipped.